Vacation Simulator. It's a nice game. I would even say it's one of the best VR games I have ever played. When I bought the game and tried it for the first time, I was commonly with a friend. Let me give him some randomly chosen name... Hunter. Since you always make jokes about absolutely everything that exists in this world, and since there's a vlog-like camera in Vacation Simulator, it didn't took that long for us to make a joke about vlogging in-game. Shortly after that, Hunter was thinking out loud and pitched me the absolute best idea you could ever come up with. You should do your videos just like in Vacation Simulator. I know what you think. This is a terrible idea, and no one should ever spend their time trying to build a VR vlog-like environment. So that's what I did. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the newest invention of mankind. Witness the greatest project anyone has ever achieved in Unity. Be part of an idea that will change everything. As soon as we got everything actually working and running. You might not know, but trying to do something VR based in Unity while you know nothing about VR development and only the basics of Unity is a pretty bad idea. But that's what YouTube tutorials, the Unity forum and people on Steam are for. Even if I had no idea about how to do any VR based things in Unity, the journey was actually still really interesting. First I had to get VR working in the first place, which was actually pretty simple. You just throw a prefabricated object from Valve into your scene and you are done. After that I used the TrackLab head as an actual VR head, which is really just parenting the model to the position of the VR camera. Then I had the problem of two cameras, since I need one camera that renders the VR headset for me and one camera that acts as the spectator camera, aka your view. I wanted to have some kind of camera mirror in game so I can see what you see, just so I know what's going on. For that I actually wasn't able to use the spectator camera. I had to create a second spectator camera that's on the exact same position as the main one. That's because mirror textures and some other technical stuff, blah blah blah, no one cares about that. Since a flat floating surface as camera mirror is pretty lame, I modded a table and a TV that could display the camera view. And a simple ground with no background is pretty boring as well, so I began to model a whole room for scenery. Some nice city outside of the window gave the whole a more living feeling as well. To finish everything off, I added physics, collisions and interaction features so I can grab things if I ever need it. Who knows. As soon as the basic functionalities have been finished, I added more models, decorations and details into the room. With all of that finished, we got a fully working VR based recording room. In case you're asking now, but what is that good for? The answer is quite simple. It is faster and a lot simpler to create videos with the VR environment rather than the 2D Unity environment that I used before. Well, doesn't that mean that your entire TrackLab project before is now completely useless and all the time you spent to create that is wasted?
You know, one thing I should...
Well, I don't care, okay? I really like this idea. Besides, it's like my own great studio room, which I don't have in real life. Anyway, I mean, if you don't like this idea, then... well, I like it. Maybe I use this, maybe I don't, who knows. If I don't, I wasted a lot of time. But for right now, this is great. I love this. This is amazing. Oh, look, I can see myself. Ah, nice. I definitely know there's a lot of stuff to improve, but I can get to that. But it works stable, everything is fine, and to be honest, this looks amazing. This is not centered anymore. Who cares? Thanks for watching. If you like this, then do whatever you want. I absolutely hate begging for subscribers or likes, or the bell, or whatever else exists these days. I don't know. I can already see hate comments of people not liking this. I probably won't get any comments since barely anyone watches my videos, so yeah. See ya.